Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. Today we're going to talk about knives in your feed mixer. So there's a common misconception out there that because there's extra spots for knives, if your mixer isn't cutting as well as you want it to, that if you just buy extra knives and stick them in there, that it'll do better. That's wrong. If you're running into issues with cutting your material, give us a call and talk to us, because a lot of times it makes more sense to add the extended backers in. So what it does is it moves the knives out about 3 to 4 inches, and then it'll move that knife into a better position when the material comes down. More knives usually just causes the material to move around the tub faster. The other thing that you want to consider if you're not already doing it is finding a way to add moisture to your material. So if you're putting dry hay in and straw and green feed and nothing else, you almost need to find a way to add moisture to that. What it does is it causes some friction along the wall. It slows that material down, it cuts it better, and it makes it into actually more palatable feed for your animals. But if you're running into issues with cutting, give your sales rep a call and they can usually walk you through on some things to try. Hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.